welcome back to another video. Today we are here in Toronto beaches for winter stations. This is the 5th year of me doing a video here, so if you want to see the other 4 videos of the past 4 years, just check out my playlist for winter stations. We are starting on the west side of Woodbine Beach towards Woodbine Park, and we'll walk east, checking out each station. I believe there's 5 winners this year. Let me turn down my music. So there's 5 winners this year. I believe they're all up. It is February 16th, which is the opening day for Winter Station. Also Family Day here in Toronto as well. All right, let's check out the first one. I'll also put on the screen just some information, who created it, the name, and I'll probably put a link in the description as well to check out their website if you want to check out their website. So here's a little bit of information you get when you come. There's a sign that tells you the name, shows you a little bit of it, and some information. This one's really cool. I like the hands. Lots of colors, which is cool. Some detail how they put it together. All right, so that was the first one. On to the next one. That was really cool though. I like how the hands were coming up out of the sand. It's one of the coolest ones I've seen so far, like out of all the years. It's the first one this year. So on to the next one. Let's check this one out. And this is the second one. And the information that you'll get here. Cool, done like a wave. And show you some detail how they put it together. All right, so number 2 is pretty cool as well. I still think number 1 is a little bit better. I like the color, but the design is really nice with number 2 as well. On to number 3. This year we got some snow as we walk to number 3. In past videos you can see it was a clear beach. I think this is the 2nd year in a row we had snow on opening day. And then 2 years before that it was opening, or no snow, just clear beach. Let me show you the art. This is cool. You can walk in through as well. Interactive. I really like interactive art. Another angle, so you can enter in through one side and walk through. And here's the design and the name, and of course the information that you get. Another angle. I'm not going to walk through just because there's children playing inside. But here's some design, how they put it together. So you can see here how they put it together. A box on top as well. That was number 3 of 5. I didn't go inside with that one just because the kids really seem to like it, and I don't want to get like kids on film and stuff like that. It's all about the art. All the interactive ones is definitely usually over the years is a fan favorite with kids. They love playing with these arts. Any future artists, if you're watching this video and you plan on entering a future year and you win, try and do a interactive one. You'll definitely get the love from the kids. All right, on to our next one. This one doesn't seem to be fully built yet. We'll go around and get some video of it though. Here's the design and information. Again, this one's not completed yet, but it's going to be another interactive one. So once it's completed, I'm pretty sure the kids are going to love this. Just to show you how they put it together a bit. I believe the walls on the inside is filled with lake water, which is kind of cool. All right, so that one wasn't quite finished yet for opening day, but as I posted on the screen earlier, hopefully I did, it's February 16th to March something. So they got lots of time to finish it off and let the kids play. All right, on to our last one. I'm already thinking this one's pretty cool, just from the look of it. Let's go check it out. So I'll show you the sign with the design, the name, and this is the art, which is pretty cool. So it's a lot of mirrors, very interesting. Each mirror gives you a different angle. Definitely got to get myself. How's this for a thumbnail? All right guys, so that was Winter Stations 2025. 5th year in a row for me. I believe Winter Stations has been on the go for I think 8 years, 10 years now. annually. Every family day, February the 16th, there is their opening day, and they run until March, so you have plenty of time. On the weekend, if you're bored, you have kids, you have dogs, pets, bring them down, check it out. Everyone has fun. See you in our next video. Oh, and thanks for watching. Always appreciated.